Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today for my first recipe on my Mediterranean series, I had to choose my absolute most favorite thing in the world to eat. These are Greek stewed green beans. They're called fasolakia and I could live off these. You guys, sometimes I go weeks upon weeks eating them. They are just so satisfying and so easy to make, so let's go. To a large pot, I'm adding some olive oil, a good generous amount, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. It's gonna make the sauce nice and rich and creamy. I'm sauteing a white onion. Once it's nice and translucent, go in with some yellow or white potatoes, a pound or two of fresh or frozen green beans, whatever is most convenient, 2 chopped tomatoes, a little 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and I'm seasoning this with a half a tablespoon of salt and a pinch of sugar to cut the acidity of those tomatoes. This sauce is going to be savory and delicious. Lastly, add a cup of water, bring this up to a simmer, and you're going to cook it covered on low for around 45 minutes to an hour. Once the green beans are super tender, you're able to cut them with your fork. Go ahead and serve this with some crumbled feta cheese. Enjoy it with a nice big piece of crusty bread. Double or triple the recipe and keep a big pot of this in the fridge because once you try it, I know you're gonna become addicted for life.